No, this is the milking stand for the goat,
Oh no!
where we can milk. We can milk the goat. She's standing there.
No, it's your tooth.
Hey, goat,
It's your tooth.
you want to get milked? Yeah, she's like, milk me. And that's where you put the feed and stuff, so that when you're milking through here,
Potty said.
you can you can
Oh, detect.
milk the goat. Where we can you can tie it up and tie her up and milk the goat. Hey, goat. Yeah. So that's how the milking setup for the goat is. They are Sinan goats, the milk goats. They produce a lot of good milk. Very healthy. Hey, chicken, come on in. This is our setup. The hay bales go here.
I know.
I need to buy some more hay bales. This is a little hang-on feeder for the goats, so they can eat from there. And this is the water setup. I need to change the water, but I put vinegar in the water, so it kind of stays relatively cleaner or clear. Alrighty. So if you put vinegar in the water, the water stays more clear longer time. This is brown because the hay, some of the hay falls in when the goats are eating. That's why I put the plywood on the side recently, so that the hay don't fall in the water. But that's how it looks like. Yeah, it's a little shack. It works. Hey, kitty.
Detect up here.
I see you. Okay.
Where's your house?
I see you. That's a salt block for the goats. They need to get some minerals and salt.
A chicken for the house.
Mm-hmm.
A chicken for the house.
Hey, goat, what are you doing there? She's trying to take a nap.
Go to the house.
Mm-hmm. Already.